Most people get this wrong. They assume all gaming reward apps pay the same, and the only difference is which games you play. But in reality, rewarded play and Mistplay work in very different ways. And that directly affects how much you can actually earn. Here's the truth no one tells you. The app that earns more for you is not always the one with the highest rewards. It's the one that matches your play style, time spent, and game availability in your region. In this video you'll learn how rewarded play and Mistplay actually compare in 2026, which one pays more in real usage, and which app is better depending on how you play mobile games. Let's start with the more widely known platform. Mistplay is built for Android users who get rewarded for playing and leveling up in mobile games. The system is simple. The longer you play, the more points you earn. Those points can be converted into gift cards. But here's the problem. Earnings depend heavily on how much time you spend, and not all games give equal rewards. Now here's where it gets interesting. Rewarded play works in a similar way, but it focuses more on rotating game offers and promotional bonuses. Some users find that it feels faster at the beginning because of bonus events and short-term rewards. But over time, earnings can level out depending on available games. So which one actually earns more? It depends on consistency. Mistplay tends to be better for long-term steady earning because it has a more structured leveling system. Users like Alex who play regularly every day often see more predictable rewards over time. Rewarded play, on the other hand, can feel faster in short bursts. For someone like Jake who jumps between games and wants quick reward spikes, it may seem more exciting at first. But here's where most people fail. They think switching between apps will double their earnings. In reality, both apps reward time spent inside games, not multitasking. So spreading your time too thin actually reduces your overall earnings. Another key difference is game availability. Mistplay often has a more stable selection of games, while rewarded play can vary depending on region and promotions. That means your earning potential can change week to week. So here's the simple takeaway. If you want steady long-term rewards and predictable progress, Mistplay is usually the stronger option. If you want short bursts of higher reward opportunities and don't mind variation, rewarded play can be more exciting. Neither app will replace a job, but both can turn your spare time into small, consistent rewards if you use them correctly. If this helped you understand the real difference, like the video, comment which app you use, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns like this.